In today's video, I will be using my triple split cup with some Christmas colors, so stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I've got some pretty Christmas colors here, and I will be using my triple split cup today. It's got those nice slanted dividers, of course that lovely no drip spout, and the grip is really nice on this cup as well. Alright, so the colors that I'm using today: Artist Loft Metallic Leaf Green, the Fine Touch Green, I've got one of my favorite reds, it's actually Ruby from Modern Masters, and then I mixed a little bit of Champagne from Folk Art with 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics. I kind of just wanted to kind of lighten it just a bit because sometimes that color tends to go crazy. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to fill up the cup with those colors, and they are all mixed with Floetrol and water only. No silicone has been added to any of the colors. Okay, so while I am filling up this cup, I just wanted to say thank you to a few people that have donated to my channel. I'm not gonna say your name in case you don't want me to, but I do appreciate any donation. It really does help my channel to stay going. Every little bit helps, from donating to my PayPal to subscribing to my membership that I have. And again, it's very, very much appreciated, and I do thank you very much. And then for those of you that also support me by liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos, this one included, really does help me as well. Alright, so with all of that being said, I am just going to go ahead and let you guys sit back and enjoy the music and watch how this develops. And I'll be back in a jiff. Okay guys, so here we go with the dried result, and I'm actually super happy with this. I wasn't at first because all the green had disappeared, but once I started tilting, the green came back, and then I got all of these cute little natural cells that popped up. I'm not normally a fan of so many cells, but I love these ones this time. I'm not sure why. Anyway, I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, so leave me a comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. Just go ahead and click that button. It's free. For those of you that are already subscribed, thank you. I do appreciate it. And don't forget to share this video with someone that you think may enjoy it. Also, my split cups are available in my Etsy shop. The link is in my description, so go check those out. Alright, I do have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.